Kuba abalabi walina nga love is in the air.
Landlord wabwe alina kunyweza misumari.
Kuba mabati bajja kajjemu. Okay, madam okanywedeko. Munywese tofaayo kaba kunywese. Ensonyi. Toyambala na kaleega.
Ate ko nga weetegereza.
Oba.
Oyagala batu.
Munywese.
Leto mutuka.
Ekifaananyi mukikube kasuku, you get the best. Bali kubaveeko.
Kyogamba likaziina.
Kasuku
Oliro kya Mona.
Kasuku oli tandowoozi. Addemu.
Ogaa nti katya?
Ayina n'eddimpu. Ayina n'eddimpu shuwa.
Derek kati koddako.
Kajjakola.
Eh?
Ate kalimu n'amaanyi gaabundi.
So yeah, that's the
Kali. Yes. Kuku, please come and give us your opinion on this. Genuine opinion.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for coming. Kapebele nyuma mtira omtya.
Kali, please. Kali. Together, you all.
But I'm so excited to know right now Nanas to when I'm going to Another thing, I'm so happy to be part of this team. Yes, but I want to urge everyone out there, TV,
Kali, let's have that product sampling. Yes, the ushers, please. Let's do this very fast. We've got
Derek and Mona for coming. Nange newunyiza. Bansanyisa nnyo ku TikTok. Omanyi okubeera nga muli kapo ate nga mukola ebintu byosseeyo.
Bali kapwe.
Bali kapo bituufu nange mbadde neewuunya.
Thank you so much.
Mwebale babyemuta. Mulaba mutya we mbagatta ku group yaffe y'aba brand ambassador ba Brisk. Tubawe? 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 Wasanze katotwane tugenda mu office yange. Nsaba bandeteeko ku Brisk 2 cartons.
Yes.
Mbakwase Brisk wange basooke banyweko. Tujje mu office tusayinge tugenda byogera.
Kumanya gukola babarita. Omusajja akatuyo katandise obwomi abuulira.
Ba brand ambassador baffe Sesabat ne Alan Cruz bagenda babatuyamba okutambuza ka juice kaffe kano ka Brisk. Thank you so much for Derek and for Mona. Kananas kalinacho by the way. Sasa jangu we Mona. Mweka Brisk.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
In the same spirit, I want to invite Uncle Sandy,
Yeah.
Nekasuku,
Budget test.
I know you are critics, and I'm very careful at choosing Njagala mumbulire your honest opinion. Okay, now we are going to sample this product, and genuinely tell me what you think about the product. Uncle Sandy, you were a very good critic. Jenkins, a good critic. No. Of music. So here. Tujja twala kyona atuwa why?
Yeah, Eddie. Yongera.
Munanansi bwennyini. Omalonyese n'omwana
Brisk juice. Original munanasi kwenyewe. Yaani kama unaita nauzi ndio. Unapata ina. Mambo ni zenga nauzi kanisa. Nywa. Critikiwa mya kunywa music yo bado hozi.
Hi. Banage, this juice is natural. Chance all of banana natural. Kana all banana kana mate kuzichi. Again, the thing about the soda, no plus soda. Go ahead to natural. But this is really natural. Thank you very much, my Barbarita number.
Thank you, Damari. Yes, sir.
What else? Yes, sir.
Pesa kujenga.
Omwana yakutte mukono. Akamanyi okasobola. Risky. Nakosendi eyongereko.
Peter Mandwa nti bwe nyweno obuwoomi gw'obuwuli.